Well, no less than the Chief PNP talked to me about that. Ang sinabi niya at gusto niyang iparating sa ating mga kasamahan sa media na there is no sacred cow dito sa gagawing investigation, even if it means holding liable ang isang former Chief PNP. Yun lang ang sinasabi niya na we welcome this statement, although sinasabi ni General Villanueva, I myself ay nakikinig kahapon, ay sinasabi naman niya these are just rumors, but these are serious rumors involving a former Chief PNP. So we're talking about 24 names because 29 na yung nauna. Si General Marbil is the 30th Chief PNP. So nagbilang kami. So 29 minus 5 na patay. So we're talking about 24 names. But in fairness to those former Chief PNP, I think they are naman in the position to answer in their behalf. But on the part of the PNP, sabi ni Chief PNP, and I guess, sinabi niya ito kahapon at kanina, sinabi niya rin ito during the command conference. Regardless kung sinong tatamaan dito, kung mapapatunayan na meron siyang kinalaman dun sa sinasabing tumulong sa pagtakas and worse ay nakaka-receive ng monthly payola, then again, wala tayong palalagpasin dito at patatawakin. Sabi nga niya, no sacred cow, regardless kung sino ka.